What is the main ingredient in guacamole? A. Apples. B. Oranges. C. Avocados. D. Bananas. The right answer, avocados. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? A. Apple. B. Bananas. C. Mango. D. Orange. The right answer, mango. What type of pasta is shaped like small rice grains? A. Fusilli. B. Orzo. C. Penne. D. Farfalle. The right answer, orzo. What is the main ingredient in hummus? A. Lentils. B. Chickpeas. C. Black beans. D. Peas. The right answer, chickpeas. Which vegetable is known for its high vitamin K content? A. Carrots. B. Spinach. C. Potatoes. D. Onions. The right answer, spinach. What is the primary ingredient in traditional Japanese miso soup? A. Chicken. B. Beef. C. Miso paste. D. Tofu. The right answer, miso paste. Which grain is used to make traditional Italian risotto? A. Quinoa. B. Barley. C. Arborio rice. D. Brown rice. The right answer, arborio rice. Which fruit is dried to make prunes? A. Plums. B. Grapes. C. Apricots. D. Figs. The right answer, plums. What kind of fruit is a Granny Smith? A. Apple. B. Pear. C. Orange. D. Banana. The right answer, apple. Which cheese is traditionally used in a Greek salad? A. Cheddar. B. Mozzarella. C. Feta. D. Swiss. The right answer, feta. What is the main ingredient in a caprese salad? A. Lettuce. B. Tomatoes. C. Cucumbers. D. Carrots. Which nut is used to make marzipan? A. Almonds. B. Walnuts. C. Peanuts. D. Cashews. The right answer, almonds.